Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. On this video we are going to look how we can connect your account to North America on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So when you open the app, here we need to go to the me section or our profile section. On the bottom right corner we can see our me option. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we reach here we can see the manage marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option, and on the top right corner we can see the add more option. Just tap on the add more option. So when we tap on the add more option, here we can see the North America option. So after that, choose the North America option. Just tap on the next option. So here we can see we need to give our email or phone number right here. So after entering your email or phone number right here, just tap on the continue option, or we can create your own Amazon account right there. So this is how you're gonna connect your account to North America on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.